हरि ओम कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदां वरम् नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवं तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदां वरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम् जयत्यतिबलो रामः लक्ष्मणश्च महाबलः राजा जयति सुग्रीवो राघवेण अभिपालितः दासोऽहं कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनूमान् शत्रुसैन्यानां निहन्ता मारुतात्मजः न रावणसहस्रं मे युद्धे प्रतिफलं भवेत् शिलाभिस्तु प्रहरतः पादपैश्च सहस्रशः अर्धयित्वा पुरीं लङ्काम् अभिवाद्य च मैथिलीं समृद्धार्तो गमिष्यामि मिषतां सर्वराक्षसां नमोऽस्तु रामाय स लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः நாடிய பொருள் கைகூடும் ஞானமும் புகழும் உண்டாம் வீடியல் வழியது ஆக்கும் வேரியம் கமலை நோக்கும் நீடிய அரக்கர் சேனை நீருபட்டு அழிய வாகை சூடிய சிலை ராமன் தோல்வலி கூறுவார்க்கே மனோஜவம் மாருத துல்லிய வேகம் ஜிதேந்திரியம் புத்திமதாம் வரிஷ்டம் வாதாத்மஜம் வானரயூதமுக்கியம் ஸ்ரீராமதூதம் சிரசா நமாமி அஞ்சிலே ஒன்று பெற்றான் அஞ்சிலே ஒன்றைத் தாவி அஞ்சிலே ஒன்றாராக ஆரியர்க்காக ஏகி அஞ்சிலே ஒன்று பெற்ற அணங்கை கண்டு அயலாரூரில் அஞ்சிலே ஒன்றை வைத்தான் அவன் நம்மை அழித்து காப்பான் நமசபாய் ई दिनम सुदिनम च में आज तो चैत्र नवमी और पुनर्वसु जाकर आज तो पुष्य नक्षत्र भी है। इसी दिन का चर्चा हम कर रहे हैं अयोध्या कांड में 40वां सर्ग 1 to 40 सर्गास we are discussing. It's the happenings on 2 days, Punarvasu Nakshatra day and then Pushya Nakshatra. It is such a happening coincidence that we are about to finish Pushya Nakshatra day happenings in Awadh. We are also on a Pushya Nakshatra. So Ramayan, Ram Navami. So we don't call it as a Rama Janma Din. We call it as Ram Navami. वो तिथि का महत्व. Same thing, Janma Ashtami, वो तिथि का महत्व. So we let us pray our obeisance to Sri Awadh. Let us pay obeisance to that particular तिथि Navami. ततो यज्ञ समाप्ते तु ऋतूनां षट्समत्युः ततश्च द्वादशे मासे चैत्रे नावमिके तिथौ नक्षत्रे अदितिदेवत्ये स्वेश्च संस्थेषु पञ्चषु ग्रहेषु कर्कटे लग्ने वाक्पति इन्दुना सह प्रोध्यमाने जगन्नाथं सर्वलोकनमस्कृतं कौसल्या जनयत् रामं सर्वलक्षणसंयुतं विष्णोरर्धं महाभागं पुत्रम् ऐक्ष्वाकुनन्दनं विष्णोरर्धं महाभागं पुत्रो ऐक्ष्वाकुनन्दनं लोहिताक्षं महाभागुं रक्ताउष्टं दुन्दुभिस्वनं कौसल्या सुषुभे तेन पुत्रेण अमिततेजसा यथा वरेण देवानाम् अदितिः वज्रपाणिना ततो ततश्च द्वादशे मासे चैत्रे नवमिके तिथौ चांद्रायण संवति द्वारा आज तो चैत्र मास, परंतु दक्षिण भाग में तमिलनाडु, केरला, पंजाब और वेस्ट बंगाल में सौरमान पद्धति, इसीलिए राम नक्षत्रों तो अगला मंथ आएगा। बट प्रधान में भारत देश में राम नवमी तो चांद्रायणी पद्धति द्वारा चैत्र मास में शुक्ल पक्ष में नवमी तिथौ। चैत्र मास का महत्व क्या है? वेद कहता है श्रेष्ठ से सांग्रहण्येष्टा यजते इमाम जनतागुं संगृह्णानीति द्वादशा रत्नी रतना भवति द्वादशमासा आत् संवत्सरः संवत्सरमेवावरुन्धे मौञ्जी भवति ऊर्ग्वै मुञ्जाः ऊर्ध्वमेवावरुन्धे चित्रा नक्षत्रं भवति। चित्रा नक्षत्रम तो श्रेष्ठ नक्षत्र, संभ्रम के लिए श्रेष्ठ नक्षत्र। पौर्णमासी चैत्र से मिलन होना, वो मास है चैत्र मास। सो इन दिस चित्र मंथ पौर्णमास कम्स ऑन चित्रा नक्षत्र। ऑन दैट डे इन वसंत ऋतु, आफ्टर 12 months after the yaga, tato yajna samapte tu ऋतूनां षट् समत्युः। After 6 ऋतु, 12 month, प्रोध्यमानं जगन्नाथं, he came on his own interest. पिता पुत्रेण पितृमान योनि योनौ। He is Paramapita, Pita Putreena Pitruman. He made himself Putra. Pita, this is a Veda Shabda, Kataka Shabda. Pita Putreena Pitruman Yoni Yonau. He comes to take birth. Kyon? Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanihi. So Glanihi Abhyuttanam. So whenever there is Utpanna of Adharma, Pita, Paramapita, Putra बनकर आता है। जय जय सुर नायक जन सुखदायक प्रणत पाल भगवंता। ब्रह्मादि लोग आता है and then they pray. They were waiting for 12 months to have this चैत्र दिन पुनर्वसु नक्षत्र। उसको अधिदेवता तो अदिति। सो जय जय सुर नायक जन सुखदायक प्रणत पाल भगवंता गोद्विज हितकारी जय असुरारी सिंधु सुता प्रियकंता पालन सुरधरनी अद्भुत करनी मरमन जानई कोई जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाला करऊ अनुग्रह सोई। तुलसीदास का छंदस। जय जय सुरनायक जोग लगन ग्रह भारतिथि सकल भय अनुकूल चर अरु अचर हर्ष जुत राम जन्म सुख मूल। जोग, योग तो अनुकूलता, लग्न तो कर्कट लग्न तो अनुकूलता, ग्रह तो अनुकूलता। क्या कैसा है ग्रह? 5 ग्रह गुरु सूर्य गुजा माने मंगल शुक्र एवं शनि उच्च स्थान में थे। 5 लग्न उच्च स्थान। इफ देर आर 5 लग्न उच्च स्थान में तो वो तो लोक सम्राट बन जाएगा। सो ही इज अ लोकपति। इसीलिए ऑन 5 ग्रहास and more importantly Brahaspati Vakpati Indunasaha, on top of it on a Punarvasu day Brihaspati and Indu were in conjunction. So both Brihaspati to Vak Devata, Vakpati Indunasaha, इसीलिए तो उसका तो वाक इतना शुद्ध था। रामः द्विर्न अभिभाषते। So Brihaspati और Indu were in conjunction in their sthan. So that means he was शील, he was सुशील, he was शीतल। उसका तो गुण कैसा है? तो सौशील्य सौहार्द, he was सौशील्य सौहार्द सुकुमार सत्यसंध। So everything was proclaimed in his jatak. So you don't have to have a separate jatak for him. The day itself tells. So both the Punarvasu nakshatra, Karkata Lagna, Navami Tithi, everything started dancing. Jaya Jaya Suranayaka Janasukadhayaka Pranatapala Bhagavanta. So Brahmadi Dev started dancing on that day. Kausalya Sushubetena Putrena Amita Tejasa Yatha Varena Devanam Aditihi Vajrapanina. सो राम का अवतार हुआ अभिजित मुहूर्त में हुआ। सो आज तो यू ऑल हैव सेलिब्रेटेड दी Pratakshina at Abhijit Muhurta. Abhijit Muhurta, though if no Muhurta or Lagna comes to suit you, the best thing to do is to pick up the Abhijit Muhurta and do a Punya Karma. So that is Navami. Why did he pick Navami? It's a beautiful mathematical significance. Shastra say hi. So what is today? Everything is such a coincidence. What did we say? Chaitre. It is a Chaitra Masa. In Chitra Masa, in Chaitra Masa, people were all worried about the cold and wintry and all the thing, darkness, everything gone. Vasanta Rutu आया और वसंत ऋतु में चैत्र मास में शुक्ल पक्ष में ये उत्पन्न राम जी उत्पन्न हुआ, अवतार किया. So 9, Navami. So 9 is 6 plus 3. Today's lecture, what is a coincidence? Today's lecture is 63. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. And Rama is a Purna avatar. You add anything to that number, it becomes Purna. So 9 times 1, no other number comes like that, equal to 9. 9 times 2 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Similarly, 9 times 3 equal to 27. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 9 times 4 equal to 36. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 times 5 equal to 45. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 times 6 equal to 54. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 times 7 equal to 63. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 9 times 8 equal to 72. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 9 times 9 equal to 81. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 9 times 10 equal to 90. 9 plus 0 equal. Purnaha is Purnatvam. So, Chaitre Navamike Titau. Then, so whatever you enlarge Brahmam, Brihatvati iti Brahmam, so he is Purnam Brahmam Sanatanam. Then, 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you add anything to that Purnam, that same thing comes. So when you enlarge it, that means multiply, you get the same number. Similarly, when you add anything to that Purnatvam number, what you get? That number, if you add, gives the added portion of it. So that is Rama. Similarly, 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Whether you do multiplication, that means you are enlarging or you are incrementally adding. So 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So it doesn't change. Similarly, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 8. Vishnor-ardham mahabhagam putram aikshvakunandhanam. That is Ramaha. Ramayatiti Ramaha. So, Purvakata Sangraha, that is the Sreshtatam. No other number. Whether you do multiplication or you do addition, same thing. Negative is a reflection. Vishnor-ardham mahabhagam putram aikshvaku. So that is Rama. Why did he come? Because people, the Devatas were waiting for 12 months. Right from Brahma to Pipilika, all the Chetana, Achetana Vastu, they were doing penance to make sure that there is somebody that is coming. for dharma rakshartham. First and foremost, dharma rakshanartham, sadhu paritranartham, then only dutta nigraham. So it is not the immediate purpose of the Brahman to come and quell the dushta jantus. No. First dharma rakshartham, second sadhu paritranartham, to take care of sadhu log. Third thing, while he does it, he is giving chance to people that they will change themselves. If they don't change, then only he goes and does the dushta karya, to quell the dushtas. So that is Rama. So Purvakata Sangrahascha, 12 years, Ram और Mata Lakshmi, Sita ji, they were doing what is expected of a Grihastha Dharma. So Rama did Agni Adhana. So the two things are supposed to be asked from a Grihastha. One is according to Srauta karma. The Pradhan mein Srauta karma karna chahiye. And then comes Smarta karma. In Smarta karma, you do morning and evening Aupasana. Whereas in Srauta karma, you start with Darshapurna Ishti, Stali Pakam, Pashubandhanam, Saptapaka Yajnam and Saptasoma Yajnam. So Rama was doing all this Agni Adhan karke. That means he started the pujan karna Agni Adhan. That means you bring Agni to your home and do both Smarta or Srauta. Srauta is Shreshta, Aupasana is a Smarta karma, and Srauta karma is all these from Darshapurna Ishti to Stali Pakam. Then last comes Saptasoma Yajna. In Saptasoma Yajna comes Vajapeyam Adi. After you do Saptasoma Yaga, then if you are a Kshatriya, if you are a Samrat, then you do Ashwamedha. That Rama did many times, which Valmiki himself says. So Ashwamedha comes at the end. So Rama was doing all this. So every day Rama used to do this, all the Agni Sandhana, all the Agni related karya, he will do it. And then he goes to his Kuladevata, Ranganath ko puja karne ke liye, ye patni ke saath daily he used to go. So the reason is why we are bringing this is that in 2 days the entire ambience will change. What day we are today is Pushya Nakshatra. This all started yesterday in Punarvasu. Coincidentally, today is Pushya Nakshatra. So the things were supposed to happen, it did not happen. So after he did regularly, he does his Ranganatha Aradhana, he just walks in his Udyan. So people will come waiting to see how this Rama and Sita are doing their Nitya Karma, and then how they are doing pujan to their Kuladevata, Ranganatha, and how they are walking through the Udyan. Nagumomo Galavani Namano Haruni. Tyagaraja sings, depicts this. So what was the daily activity of Rama? People used to come and wait in queue. Hey Rama, I just want to see your momu, mene face. I just want to see Mandahasa. I just want to see you smiling. Rama, smile at me. Nagumomu Galavani Namanoharuni. Namanoharuni. You are Hridaya Harini. Hey Rama, show me your face. Whereas all these people in today, we will see, they will cry, ha ha karenge. Sabhi log, that's the situation palat hoga. Nagumomo Galavani Namanoharuni. This song is called Utsava Sampradaya Kirtana, Sambrama. People were happy because it was a Pushya Nakshatra day. Everybody were told that Rama is going to take the Yavarajya Pattam. So people were rejoicing. So Tyagaraja puts that rhythm and the music in Madhyamavati. Nagumomu Galavani Namano Haruni Jagamelu Suruni Janaki Varuni. Jagamelu, you are the king in the world. Jagamelu Suruni Janaki Varuni. Janaki Varuni. You are the Bharta of Janaki. Nagumomu Galavani. See, imagine this situation. Several yug baad, Telugu mein Tyagaraja depicts in that melodious with the rhythm. People were making merry. Devadi Devuni Divya Sundaruni. Devadi Devuni Divya Sundaruni. Srivasu Devuni Sita Raghavuni. This Uttama Mata today will tell first ever place where one particular Sri, Rajamata, Uttama Mata, not Kausalya, she will depict the Swayam Prakasam of Rama. Who is Rama? Sri Vasudevuni Sita Raghavuni Nagumo Mugalavani Namano Haruni. Sumitra will cry, Namano Haruni Sita Rama. So, Ayodhyam Atavim Vidhi Gachatata Yata Sukam Ramam Dasaratam Vidhi. Ramam Dasaratam Vidhi Mam Vidhi Janakatmaja Ayodhyam Atavim Vidhi Gachatata Yata Sukam Sugyana Nidini Soma Surya Lochanuni. Sugyana Nidini Soma Surya Lochanuni. Sugyana Nidhi. Rama is Dharma Swarupa. How was he? Glittering. One eye is Surya, one eye is Chandra. Surya Soma Lochanuni Ajnana Tamamunu Anachu Bhaskaru. Ajnana ko, Andhakar ko चुड़ाने वाला भास्करु. अज्ञान तमुमु अनचु भास्करुनी नगुमोमु गलवानी नाम नोहरुनी जगमेलु सूरुनी जानकी वरुनी नगुमो ओमु गलवानी जानकी वरुणी. सृष्टस्त्वं वनवासाय स्वनुरक्तः सुहृजने रामे प्रमादं माकार्षि पुत्रा भ्रातरि गच्छति. I have begot you. सृष्टत्वं वनवासाय. I have begot you so that you can go to Vana. So what is it? Bhratari gacchati ma pramadam ma karshi. Hey Putra, hey Lakshmana, don't show your negligence. Bhratari gacchati, when your brother is walking, don't get carried away by his soundarya. Don't get carried away by guna. You have to keep your eye on the force of Rama. Like Secret Service people, no matter how good the president speaks, their job is not to see the president. Their job is to make sure that the president is protected. Similarly, Mata Sumitra says, Bhratari gacchati tata pramadam makarshi bhratari gacchati. So the Gopya Artham is Bhratari gacchati. When simply if you could say the Sanskrit meaning, you say when your brother is walking, make sure you take care of him. But why? You don't get carried away. Pumsam chitta parinam. Even men gets carried away by his soundarya. Alagalalata gaganiyaran muni etu pongano. Even Vishwamitra got carried away by the changes of Rama. Alagalalata gaganiyaran muni etu pongano. So Putra, I am warning you, don't get carried away. Munnazhagilum pinnazhagil periya perumal. So when Sri Ranganatha goes, people get carried away by his back soundarya. Forget the front side of Sri Ranganatha. People get carried away. Munbilum pin balagiya perumal. So putra bhratari gacchati ma pramadam karshi. Don't get carried away by his saundarya. Your duty is kainkaryam vyasanani vyasaniva samurdhova gatiresha tavanagaha yesha loka satam dharmaha yajjeshta vashago bhavati jeshta bhrata pita saman. Govinda Raja brings Vyakhyana like anything. If time permits, we will do it. So, Yesha Loka Satam Dharma. What is the Dharma? Follow elders. In this case, the elder is your Jeshta Brata. Vyasaniva Samurdrova Gatiresha Tavanaga. Yesha Loka Satam Dharma. Yajjeshta Vashago Bhavet. So, what is the life lesson that comes out of this sarga? Not that Rama goes to forest, Sita follows him, Sumantra drops him, and he says, "Hey putra, hey tata." So both mother and father are coming and weeping and crying. That is not the thing. Chiram dhukkam papishtam. Rama says, "Hey Sumantra, drive me quickly. I don't want to dwell here, because the more you dwell, these people will get that sorrow dragged. That is not the way of living." That is the reason. If there is any sorrow, you just quell it immediately. I don't want to do any apabramsham here. You know what it is. If there is some sorrow happening in the house, you don't want to prolong it. Chiram dukkam papishtam dukkam chiram. You should not dwell on dukkha. Face it, move on. We will see this. So, that is what happening. So, idam hi vrittam, that is what Rama said. That is the Yesha Dharma Sanatanam. Follow your brother. What did Rama say? Now that the decision has been made, I have to leave for forest. What is the purpose of staying one night? Dasharatha asks Rama to say, Kausalya will not let him go. They all have still Deha Atma Abhiman. All these Dasharatha, Kaikeyi, Kausalyama, everybody thinks this Deha is Atma. These people are Deha Atma Abhimanis. They didn't reach the level of tapasi. Whereas this lady, there are 3 mothers we will see today on comparison. All are Shreshta Mata, Paramapujaniya hai. But when you compare relatively, we are going to talk about 3 mothers. Uttama Mata, Sadharana Mata, और Adhama Mata. These Adhama Mata or Sadharana Mata still think that Deha is their Atma. Whereas that Uttama Mata says, "Hey Putra, I have begot you for the Kainkarya of this Brahman. Forget your Sukha, forget my Sukha." Even Urmila says this. Valmiki Ramayana never says that. Tulsidas never said this. But Mahakavi, Rashtrakavi, Maithili Sharan Gupta says this. Urmila says that it is your duty to go. You'll see this if time permits. Beautiful Shuddha Hindi. Maithili Sharan Gupta, what to say, what not to say. 1930s में उन्होंने पब्लिश किया साकेत रामायण का हिंदी में, vernacular Hindi में, to attract the people and to convey the meaning in the British Raj. He wrote what is known as साकेत. इसमें वो प्रकट करता है why Lakshmana, more than Lakshmana, why Sumitra is Uttama Mata. We'll see that. Idam hi vrittam uchitam kulasyasya sanatanam dhanam diksha cha yajneshu tanu tyago mrideshu cha lakshastvam lakshmanastvam uktvasa samsiddhim priyaragavam. You have gotten that closeness with Rama. Rama is very affectionate to you. Sumitra gaccha gaccheti punah punaruvachatam. Ye Ram, ye Lakshmana, go. You should not keep your brata waiting. You should not keep your bhabi waiting. Ramam Dasharatham Viddi Mam Viddi Janakatma Maja Ayodhyam Atavim Viddi Gacchata Tayata Shukam. Beautiful sloka. Such a Sastra Artha here. Ramam Dasharatham Viddi Mam Viddi Janakatmaja Ayodhyam Atavim Viddi Gacchata Tayata Shukam. 2 Vyakyana Karta. One is in Manipravala, Tamil and Sanskritam together, Periyavachan Pillai in South India, and Govindaraji, Bhushana, Govindaraj was the Pradhan Vyakyana Karta for Ramayana. ये कैसे वो कालिदास का रचन तो मल्लिनाथ व्याख्यान, likewise भागवत को श्रीधर व्याख्यान, similarly रामायण तो भूषण व्याख्यान of Govindaraja. These two people bring out the nuances beautiful. You will get grasp of Sanskrit, you will get grasp of Shastra, you will get grasp of Bhakti. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Imam Vidhi Janakatmaja Ayodhyam Matavim Vidhi Gachatata Yata Sukam. This is Uttama Mata. Whereas Kaikeyi wanted Ayodhya for her son, Kausalya did not want Rama to leave. She even started cursing. This is why I am the least favored Patni of your father. She started complaining to Rama so that Rama will stay. Rama had to spend one sarga to convince Kausalya. Whereas within second, in 2 sloka itself, nothing needed to be convinced of Sumitra. Sumitra convinces Lakshmana, you are born. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi. This is the Shrestha. So, Dasarata, Kaikeyi, even Vasishta, Sabhi log, Deha Atman Abhiman te. They were thinking about themselves. Of course, they are better than us, but still they only worry about themselves. When Vasishta lost his son, he was yelling screaming out of his lung that I want to fall down into the ocean because my son is lost. Even Vyas, Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhinetu. Bhagavat begins like that. I cannot see the separation of my son walking like a Digambara. Don't go, putra, putreti tanmayataya taravo bhinetu, taravo abhinetu. But Sumitra was not like that. She says, Lakshmana, your duty is to serve your brata. Kainkaryam purushartham. Kainkaryameva purushartham. What is siddhi for you? Your siddhi is kainkaryam. Kim karavani. What should I do? That is Sri Vaishnava's basic tenet. So, Lakshmana is one step ahead of all the surrounding people of Rama. More than Lakshmana, Sumitra is one step further more ahead. So, what is the difference between Dasharatha, Kausalya and Lakshmana? The gap is between a mountain and a molehill. Parvata Paramanu Ottai Pola. Parvata or Paramanu. The difference between the Sneha, the Bhakti of Dasharatha towards Brahman and compared with Lakshmana is like the difference between a mountain and a mole. Parvata or Paramanu say, wo difference. Similarly, what is the difference between Lakshmana and Mata Sumitra? Parvata or Paramanu Jaisa. So, she is Uttama Mata. Sadharana Mata to Kausalya. वो कैसी है? She is like Dugdha. She is like Dugdha Bahud. So, Ramayani ji, Kripashankari Ramayani Maharaj says this. So, when Kausalya was running towards Rama, it is as if Dugdha Denu, the Denu in the evening time, Godhuli Samaye, this Denu is having that kind of a milk in the udder. It is running towards its Vatsa. And while it is running towards Vatsa, the Dugdha was flowing. That was the nature of Kausalya. So she is Sadharana lady. Whereas Kaikeyi, nobody needs to tell anything. She is Adhama. So Sumitra is Uttama Mata. That Mata says, Kainkaryameva Purushartham. After some time, what you do? You get pleasure by being a servant to a great Purusha, Parama Purusha. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Mam Vidhi Janakatmajam Ayodhyam Atavim Vidhi Gachatata Yata Shukam. We'll see little bit Vyakyana. It's in Sanskrit, but it is beautiful. So, Jeshta Brata Pitru Saman Iti. First, why you say Dasharatha? Why you say Rama is a Dasharatha? Because Shastra says Jeshta Brata Pita Saman. Jeshta Brata Pitru Samam Iti Smaranat. He is building. Bhushana mein Govindaraja builds. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Dasharatham Iva Sri Paramavam Vasham Vidhi. Dasharatha was in Moha with Kaikeyi. Similarly, hey Lakshmana, your brother will also listen to your Babi. running after mriga. Tacha mriganusaritvadishu Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi. Rama will also be under the influence of your Babi, and he will chase the mriga. Sramam Dasharatham Vidhi Dasharatham Iva Stri Paravamsha Vidhi. Stri Paravamsha Vidhi Ramam Yata Tata. Yata your father. Kaise Tacha Mriganusaritvadishu. Then Sumitra, there are 4 ladies who saw Rama as a Paramapurusha. First and foremost is Sumitra. She says this beautiful Ramam Dasharatham. Rama is none other than Vishnu or Ardham. That's why we took the Rama Janana sloka, but it is customary to recite that sloka. Dasharatham iti Dasharatha mane Yadva Ramam Dasharatham Pakshiratham Garudvam iti. He takes Sanskrit Vyakhyan and he says Dashaha Pakshi Vihangama iti Nigandu. Dasha mane Pakshi, Dasha mane Vigangama, Dasha mane Garuda. Who has Garuda as Ratha? Vishnu. Dasharatham mane Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi. Hey Lakshmana, understand your brata is none other than Garuda Ruda Mahavishnu. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Mam Vidhi. Mam mane Mahalakshmi. How does Ramayan begin? Ma Nishada Pratishtantam Agamaga Shaswati Sama Yat Krauncha Midunatekam Avadhi Kama Mohitam Ma Nishada Pratishtantam Agamaha Shaswati Shama Yat Krauncha Midunatekam Avadhihi Kama Mohit Ma Iti Mahalakshmi Mam Vidhi Janakatmaja. Janakatmaja is nothing but Anapayini Mahalakshmi. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi Pakshirajam Pakshiratarudam Vidhi. Dashaha Pakshi Vihangama Iti Nigandu. Then Athavim Ayodhyam Vidhi. What is Ayodhya? What is Ayodhya? Ayodhya mane Devam Puri. Ayodhya na Yuddhum Shaktate. Iti Ayodhevanam Pura Ayodhya. Tasya Agum Hiranmaya Kosha. Swargo Loko Jodishavrita. Yo Vaitayam Brahmano Veda. Amrutena Vritam Purim. Tasmai Brahmacha. Veda says, Yajushyakam. Taitriyam says, Devanam Pura Ayodhya. Ayodhya mane Vaikuntha ka dusra naam. Tasyagum Hiranmayakko. Everything is Swarna. Udar Swarna Bandar. Swargo Loko Jodishavriti is beyond the regular Swarga of Devaraj. It is beyond Surya Loka. It is beyond all these Loka. Nothing but Vaikuntha. Vikunta Loka iti Vaikuntha. There is no end. Yo Vaitam Brahmano Veda. That person who is controlling Yo Vaitam Brahmano Veda, that is Brahman. That is nothing but Mahavishnu. So Devanam Pura Ayodhya Mam Lakshmim Vidhi Sita Lakshmir Bhagavan Vishnu Riti Veda. Hey Lakshmana, understand. Dasharatham Vidhi Ramam. Dasharatham Vidhi Kyo Atavi. Atavi is nothing but Ayodhya. What is Ayodhya? Ayodhya is Vishnu Loka Vaikuntha. Amrutena Vritam Puri. That's flow of nectar. Amrita Bhandar. Amrutena Vritam Purim. Tasmai Brahmacha Brahmacha. So, don't underestimate your brother. He is none other than Mahavishnu. Your Babi is none other than Anapayini. Agalagille Nirayum Yen Alarmel Mangai Urai Marba Nigaril Pugarai Ulagam Unudayai Yenayalvane Nigaril Amarar Munikanangal Virumbum Tiruvengadatane Pugalunilladien Unadiku Amarndu Pugundene Namalvar in Tamil says Agalagille. This lady Anapayini, Nitya Anapayini, Ragabadde, Abhavati Sita, Rukmini, Krishna Janmani, Vishnu Puran. So whenever Rama comes, it will be Mahalakshmi coming as Sita. Whenever Krishna comes, she will be Mahalakshmi coming as Rukmini. So, Agalagille Nirayim Yen Alarmel Mangayure Marba Nigaril Pugada Yulaga Munudaya Yenaya Alvane Nigaril Amarar Munikanangal Virumbum Tiruvengadatane Pugalon Nilla Adienun Adiku Amarndu Pugundene. When Namalvar, the Saint Muni from my town, does Sharanagati. He says, I am going to do Sharanagati only to that Lord in whose Vakshasala Mahalakshmi eternally resides. Agalagille Niraimin Kshana. This Mahalakshmi will not even get separated from Vishnu even for a Kshana. So that is what it is. So take care of Rama. This much Gopyapta is there. And we don't have time. 16 pages of Vyakhyana. Tamil Science, Periyavachan Pillai does in printed page 16 pages of Vyakhyana. Sanskrit and Tamil combined, that is Ramayana. Ratam aroha badram te rajaputra mahayasha Chipram tvam prapayishyami yatramam. I will take you. Now Sumitra says Lakshmana is a Kainkarya Sreshta. Then Sumantra comes, no, I am also equal to him. He says, wherever Ram you want, Vakshami yatra, wherever you tell, I will drop you. Chipram, Ratam aroha badram te rajaputra mahaya mangalani santu. So they do Mangalasasana. Tam Ratam Surya Samkasham Sita Gritena Chetasa. Then everybody is competing to do Kainkarya to Rama. So Mahalakshmi goes and makes the Ratam Pavitram with all, she is studded with all the ornaments because she is Mahalakshmi. Gandhadwaram Puram Gandhadwaram. She is effulgence. Mahalakshmi. She is always in full effulgence. So she goes first. Tam Ratam Surya Shankasham Sitam Hrishtena. With happiness, Sita jumps. That 18-year-old Ivati jumps. Aruroha Vararoha Kritva Alankaram Atmanam. She didn't go like somebody who has lost everything. She goes happily running. She goes happily running. Happily she is running. So Alankaram Kritva Aruroha Ratam. So that is one thing. You should understand that people took care that Sri Mahalakshmi Sita is sent off as if she is a Sri Mahalakshmi. So she went with all the ornaments which we will know. She goes with each day what clothes she should wear. Her Swasru, Dasaratha gives a table. Okay, Sita, wear this today. That is Friday. Wear this Tuesday. I'm just doing some Kavi Prasam here. But you know that each and every year he counted and gave. Tataiva ayudhathani bratubhyam kavachani cha. So then the Sumantra also does what he ties everything. Bandh karke, using skin, he covers. Tataiva ayujatani bratrubyam kavachani cha rata upaste pratisyan pratinyasya sacharma katinam chatati. Sacharma katinam. Charma mane skin. So they covered everything with skin so that it doesn't get spoiled. It's kind of water repellent. Assume like that. Skin is water repellent, right? So they covered everything. Rata upaste pratinyasya. He kept in a proper place. Vanavasam hi samkyaya vasamsi abaranani cha bhartaram anugachyantye sitaya ishvashuro dadau. Whatever years are there, samkyaya vanavasam hi samkyaya. 14 years, 14 times 360 days. That much close. That means imagine that much paraphernalia. Itna bhandar. Dasaratha makes sure he sent. Vanavasam hi samkyaya vasamsi abaranani cha. So you see in all the movies and things like that, Sita was wearing a garb of an ascetic. No. Neither Valmiki Ramayana nor the Sita is Mahalakshmi. You cannot separate Nitya Saumangalyatvam. You cannot separate the Nitya Saundaryam from Sri Mahalakshmi. It cannot be possible. That is what it is revealing here in Valmiki Ramayana. Vanavasam hi samkyaya vasamsi vasam mane cloth vasamsi abaranani cha bhartaram anugachyantye sitaya shvashuro dadau. So Valmiki depicts Dasaratha is a kind-hearted man. He does his duty. Ramam Dasharatham Vidhi. Ramam is a Satya Parakrama. Similarly, Dasharatha was a Satya Parakrama. Even though he had a Mohavasha for his wife Kaikeyi, he didn't give away. He didn't go away from his dharma, Satya. So that is what it is. So Swashuro dadau tataiva yuda jatani pratribhyam kavachani cha ratopaste pratinyasya sacharma katinam chayati sita tritiyan arudan drishtam achodayati sumantraha sammatan aswan vayuvega samanjave. Go. So Sumantra says, Vayuvega samanjave. As soon as Rama gave इस गेग आज्ञा अनुज्ञा, फिर ही सेज आई एम गोइंग टू राइड दिस हॉर्सेस इन वायुवेगा प्रयाते तु महारण्यम चिररात्राय राघवे, बिकॉज रामा इज गोइंग टू स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम चिररात्राय. That means he used to spend lot of nights in Aranyam. Maharanyam babuva nagare murcha bala murcha janasya cha. People got upset. Melancholic state came. Tam samakula sambramtam matta sankupita dvipam haya shinjita nirgosham puramasin mahaswanam. Everything chetana achetana padartha that we have already studied. Ye to mahante Kripa Shankari Ramayani Maharaj. He says, I have to dhanya ho. Oh Ayodhya ki the elephants of Ayodhya, the horses of Ayodhya, let me pray my obeisance. Nobody said this. In my reading of Ramayan, only this Gita Press Katha Vachak Ramayani Maharaj. Bhakti, kitne din, they lived just for Ramayana and Bhagavat. Imagine, that's all they did. So that's the reason Ramacharitra Manas is the best sold book of, one of the two best sold books of Gita Press. Okay, so he says that, oh, let me pray, pranam karta hu, kiska? वो अयोध्या नगर का, वो अयोध्या नगर का वृक्ष का, वो अयोध्या नगर का गांव का. Because they all cried. I was not there to cry then. Hey Ram, you didn't. I was not there when these people cried. So I should pray my obeisance to you. Vota bhav. That is bhav. So tam samakula sambramtam matta sankupita dvipam. Those elephants got angry. Haya shinjita nirgosham puramasin mahaswanam tataha sabala vriddha cha puri paramapirita. Even young kids, we have seen about Kamban say Ramameva abhidudrava garbhartha salilam yata. As if in a hot summer day we all run towards water, everybody were running behind Rama. Parshvataha prishtataschapi lambamana tat unmuka. Lambamana running behind. Unmuka, looking at Rama. Bhashpapurna mukha sarvetam uchuhu brushadukita. They were all crying, beating their chest. Samyacha vajinam rashmin. Hey Suta, hey Sumantra, listen to me, hold on to the string. Don't, he said what? I will ride this horse in air speed. Don't do that. Samyacha, hold, wait. Samyacha vajinam rashmin Suta yahi. Shanai, 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 Suta yahi. Vota Shaili. This was the Shaili of Kripa Shankari, because he has to attract the unpad log of Awadh. He has to attract the unpad log of Faridabad. He has to attract the unpad log of Allahabad. He has to attract the unpad log of Lakshmanapuri, Lucknow. So he used to enact Shanai, Shanai, Yagi, Suta. So spellbound, nobody would move. Enact, single man inaction of an opera. वो था भाव, वो था भक्ति का भंडार, वो गांजस की महत्व. Anyway, सम्यच्च वाजिनाम रश्मिन सूत याहि शनै शनि मुखम द्रक्ष्यामि. Hey Suta, why are you telling? 14 years we won't be able to see this Rama. Mattamadanga gamanam ativa priyadakshanam Ramam. Such a saundarya, we will not be able to see him. Surya to astaman ho gaya Awadh mein. Samyacha vajinam rashmin suta yagi shanai shanai mukam drakshyami ramasya durdasham naha bhavishyati. Durdasham mukam drakshyami bhavish. Naha, for us, we will not be able to see this Rama. वो सूर्य अस्तमन हो गया, because ये सूर्य कुल तिलक तो जा रहा है. So ayasam hridayam noonam. Then they were cursing Kausalya, Sadharana Mata. Hey, this Kausalya has a heart. She is not leaving her. She is still alive. This Dasaratha is still alive. Can you believe? Ayasam hridayam noonam Rama mataram asam. Ayasam mane iron. This Kausalya is made of iron. Pattar jaisi hai. Ayasam hridayam noonam. Certainly, now it is clear that neither Dasaratha, leave alone Kaikeyi, Dasaratha. This Kausalya, everybody is made of pattar, ayasam, iron. Ayasam hridayam noonam Rama matara samshayam asamshayam. Now we are now convinced that this lady is made of iron. Yad deva garbha pratime vanam yati. Na bibhya. Why is she not torn into pieces? Na bibhyate. Deva garbham. He is like a deva. When this Deva, this Surya is leaving Ayodhya, why is she not shattering into pieces? Na bibhyate kim? Why is she not shattering into pieces? Krita Kritya, then look at the other lady. Look at this Ma Sita. Krita Kritya, she is obedient. Krita Kritya, what it has to be done, she is doing. Krita Kritya hi Vaidehi Chaya iva Anugata Patim. Why they said Vaidehi? Why did Valmiki not use Sita? Because she was brought up by Videhadera Raja to do what it has to be done. That's why Valmiki uses the word Vaidehi. Krita Kritya hi Vaidehi Chaya iva Anugata Patim. Chaya Devi iva Anugata Patim. Surya ka patni jaisa, because shadow follows sun, no? Chaya Devi iva Surya Anugata Patim, because Rama is a Surya. Na jahati rata dharme merum arka prabhayata. Like the sun will never leave Meru. When the sun is coming on the horizon, Meru is always wetted with the rays of sun. Like that, this lady will not go away. Na jahati. She will not leave away dharma. Because Rama has to do Agnihotra. Without Patni, there is no Agnihotra. So the purpose is lost. Aho Lakshmana Siddhartha. Forget all these people. Look at this Lakshmana. He is not needed to do this. So he is the man who got Swarga right away. Aho, alas, Lakshmana Siddhartha. His Purushartha is already achieved. The purpose of Atma is to reach the abode of Paramatma and do Kainkarya. That is the difference between Advaita and Visishta Advaita. We don't say that Ahameva Brahma. Na. For us, it is Purushartham. Kainkaryam eva Purushartham. So he is doing that here to show Manav Am Jaisa Log ko kya Purushartha. Kainkarya ve Jani Janardhana Bhavaha. Do Kainkaryam. Kanden Kamala Malarpadam Kandalume to Binde Vodindana Vinaya Inayella Tonde Seidu Paraman Panitta Pani Vagai Tondu Paraman Panitta Pani Vagai Trivayamudi Nammalvar. Attambatu Nalandrivayamudi Tonde Seidu Paraman Panitta Panivai. When you need to see the God, you see God in human being. Tondu Kainkaryam Jani Janardana Bhavaha. Aho Lakshmana Siddhartha Satatam Priyavadhinam Brataram Deva Sankasam Yatvam Paricharishyati. That's where the word Paricharaka came. Paricharishyati means Kainkaryam Karoti. Bhrataram. How was these two were inseparable? In Snehabaha Priyavadhinam Bhrataram Deva Sankasam Ramam Tvam Paricharishyasi Mahati Esha Hite Siddhihi Esha Cha Abhyudayo Mahan. Mahati. That is your character. Mahati Esha. People are telling about Lakshmana. Mahati Esha, he say, Te Siddhihi Esha Cha Abhyudayo Ma. Abhyudayo Maan. You have gotten Swarga. Abhyudaya Mane, literally it is Swarga. But here it is Kainkaryam. Kainkaryam eva Purushartham Kainkaryam. Mahati Esha Hite Siddhihi Esha Cha Abhyudayo Mahani Esha Swargasya Ma. You are showing us the Marga to Abhyudayam, Swarga Margam, Vaikunta Margam, Panta. You are putting road for us to know what is Swarga. Esha Swargasya Margascha Yadenam Anugachasi. What you are doing? Yadenam Anugachasi Tadeva Swarga Margam. Evam Vadantaha Te Sodum. People were telling, each one competing. Rama, he is a Dharma Swarupa. So he is walking away. Then comes, yes, okay, Rama tells. Nobody says. Maithili Sharan Gupta says, Lakshmana tumho tapaspruhi maivan me bhiraha grihi vanavasi he nirmohi huye vastuta tum dohi. Re Lakshmana. So this Valmiki says, people says, but this Maithili Sharan Gupta, itna, wo to Rashtra Kavite, he says, Lakshmana tumho tapaspruhi. You are the tapasvi, I am not. Because I am still having Patni in the Vana, you didn't. Urmila is here, you are there. Lakshmana tumho tapaspruhi, mai vana me biraha grihi. So he says, look, one, who everybody excels. Ramayana is like Bandar. Vanavasi ye nirmohi. But I was still with Moha Pasha. When my Patni asked, hey Ram, go and get that Maya Murg, I chased. Whereas you left to Urmila. You didn't even bid farewell to Urmila. Vanavasi ye nirmohi. Huye vastuta. In practicality, you and your wife are only two true Vanavasi. Hue vastutaha tum do hi Vanavasi kaha Sumitra. Then Sumitra says, hey beta, you go, I will take care of your wife. Nishchaya para virtaka ab kyun jaise rahe rahengi hum. Don't worry, we will swallow the sorrow and we will live. Jaise rahe rahengi hum. रो कर सही, even crying every day बित जाएगा, but you go do कहीं करिया, रो कर सही सहेंगी हम. So माता और पत्नी यार एपिटमी ऑफ कहीं करिया. वनवासी है निर्मोही हुए वस्तुतः तुम दो. ही राम का वचन मैथिली शरण गुप्ता. एवं वदंतः ते शूडुम. So Rama also told what is truth. So I am not a true tapasri. एवं वदंतः ते सोडुम न शको शेकुर बाष्पमागतम. People were not able, they were telling, crying, ऊचुहु, बड़ी बड़ी स्वर से. अथ राजा वृत स्त्री दीना, वृत स्त्री with 350 पत्नी इंक्लूडिंग कैकेयी. धीना धीना दीनचेतना. अथ राजा वृत स्त्री दीना दीनचेतना. निर्जगाम प्रियम पुत्रम द्रक्ष्यामि इति ब्रुवन् गृहात्. निर्जगाम, the leaving, I just want to be with my son. प्रियम पुत्रम द्रक्ष्यामि इति ब्रुवन् गृहात्. शुश्रुवे च अग्रतः स्त्रीणां रुदन्तीनां महा. Then everybody beating their chest. रुदन्तीनां महास्वनः, रुदन्तीनां महास्वनः. My son will go away. यथा नाद करेणूनां बद्धे महति कुंजरे. कुंजरे माने male elephant. When male elephant is caught, the entire flock of the female elephants cry with loud swara. धुंदी भी जैसा स्वर करते हैं. यथा नादः करेणु माने बहुवचन, करेणु माने फीमेल एलिफेंट. यथा नाद करेणूनां बद्धे महति कुंजरे. महति कुंजरे बद्धे समये, very mighty young male elephant, when it is caught, the women folks cry, yatha nada karenunam bhatte mahati kunjare shushrave chagrataha. So Raja listened to this dhwani. This dhwani, pita cha raja ka kussaha sriman sannata. He became weak, he became pale. Paripurna sashikale. How was he? Valmiki pours his heart as a kavi, keeps on using upama, as if the Sashi was engulfed with the Grahan Kal mein, on a Paurnamasi Titi mein, Chaitra Mas mein, because we are still in Chaitra Mas. Chaitra Mas mein, Paurnami Titi mein, if you get a Purna eclipse, Purna eclipse, full lunar eclipse. Sashi Kale Grahena, Upalupta covered, Upalupta mane covered, Yata, Povadu Odiyan Yennar. Beautiful Tamil. Kamban says, I know this man, we cannot stop him. Povadu Odiyan Yennal Pudanvan Agalak Kanavan. When he leaves, I know my husband will die. Povadu Odiyan Yennal Pudalvan Agalak Kanavan Savadu Odiyan Yenn Ullam Tallutra. People were beating their chest. When Rama leaves, our husband will die. Povadu Odiyan Yennal Pudalvan Agalak Kanavan Savadu Odiyan Yenn Ullam Tallutru Ayal Kava Yennal. Hey Rama, don't go. I cannot say, because he has to protect Dharma. Kava Yennal Maganai. I will not stop you, Rama. You have to go, but I will take the punishment. I will become a vidava. Kava Yennal Maganai Kanavan Pugalukku Ajivar, because she wants to make Dasaratha to be Satyasandha. Kanavan Pugalukku Ajivar. She will quell herself. She will give her Saumangalyatvam Ajivar. That means she will die. In a way, literally, it is not dying. That means she will give her Saumangalyatvam. Kanavan Pugalukku Ajivar. Uyar Kosalayam Annam Yenna Utrana. Ha, that kind of a Dikswana. So it happens like that Rama is going away, nobody could stop, because he is a Dharma. So how was it? Then Kausalya runs. Kausalya Dugdha Dhara Bahati Amba Iva Karti Hui Dhaudti hai usi prakar वात्सल्यमयी जननी कौसल्या, हा राम, हा सीते, हा लक्ष्मणा, इस प्रकार उच्च स्वर से पुकारती हुई, फपक फपक करके रोती हुई, अश्रु भर्षण करती हुई, इधर उधर नाचती, चक्कर लगाती सी डोल रही थी। कृपा शंकर जी की वाणी दुग्ध धारा बहती हुई, अंबा करती हुई दौड़ती है उस प्रकार वात्सल्यमयी जननी कौसल्या, हा राम, हा सीते, हा लक्ष्मण, इस प्रकार उच्च स्वर से ही इज डिपिक्टिंग द थिंग. So he is exactly depicting what Valmiki used to say. Valmiki says, as if this Kausalya is going to run, as if from the Goshala, a mata is tearing the strings apart, seeing the Vatsala coming in the evening to be with mother. By the time this was happening, the milk started pouring. Likewise, Kausalya was pouring her ashru. Prati agaram iva yanti satvatsa vatsa karanat baddha vatsa yatha denu ramamata abhyadavat. This is Valmiki sloka. Look at the bhava of Ramayani. Prati agaram iva yanti. Agaram mane Goshala. Prati agaram iva yanti savatsa vatsa karanat baddha vatsa yata dhenu baddha vatsa yata dhenu ramamata abhyadavat tata rudantim kausalyam ratam tanu dhavatim yata dhenu dhavati kausalya mata. धन्य हो कौसल्या माता, धन्य हो आवदकी जन पवमान सुदुडुपाटु पादार विंदमुलकु निनाम रूपमुलकु नित्य जय मंगलम. मंगलम कौसलेन्द्राय मननीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मंगलम. கற்பார் இராமபிரானை அல்லும் மட்டும் கற்பரோ புற்பா முதலா புல்லரும் பாதி ஒன்னெண்ணியே நற்பாலு குய்த்தனன் நான் முகனார் பெற்ற நாட்டில். If you have to study, Tamil poet saint Nammalvar says, you study Rama. You can't study him, but try your best. கற்றோர் கருதும் விஷயங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பற்றாம். My clan preceptor Manavala Mumni, since if you want to achieve something, just listen to Rama and see Rama. கற்றோர் கருதும் விஷயங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பற்றாம் விபவ குணப்பண்புகளை கற்றுணர்ந்த மண்ணிலுள்ளோர் தமிழவை வாய்ந்துரைத்த மாறன் சொல் பண்ணில் இனிதான தமிழ்பா. That Rama name itself is a melodious, mellifluous madhu. பண்ணில் இனிதான தமிழ்பா. மங்களானி சந்து.